Hi everyone, welcome to MathsPar. This video is about probability. What do you mean by probability? Probability is the concept which numerically measures the degree of certainty of occurrence of an event. Before we know what is event, let us know about experiment. What do you mean by experiment? Experiment is the trial what we make to get an outcome. An operation that can produce a well-defined outcome is called an experiment. Operation that can produce well-defined outcome. Then event. Each outcome of the experiment is an event. Being knowing what is an experiment and event, let us look at sample space. What do you mean by this sample space? When we perform an experiment, we get the results. So each result is considered as an outcome. So all these outcomes will be recorded as sample space. So sample space is total number of outcomes. Then favorable event. Favorable event is the desired outcome out of the experiment whatever is performed. Probability of an expected event will be written as P of E, which will be found by number of favorable outcomes whole divided by total number of outcomes. So this will be written as P of E is equal to N of E by N of S, where E stands for the expected event, favorable event, desired event, and S is sample space. And what is a sure event and an impossible event? Suppose if I have a 1 rupee coin, it will have heads on one side, tails on the other side. Suppose if I toss that coin, expecting for either head or tail, definitely there is a possibility of getting an outcome as head or tail. So it is a sure event. If I have a die in my hand like this, if I throw this die and suppose if I am expecting a number 7 when a die is thrown, is it possible? It is impossible, because the numbers which are there on the die will end at 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have only 6 spaces for a die. But if we expect 7 number, it is impossible to get. So such events are impossible events. Then probability of happening of an event is given by P of E. Probability of not happening, P of E bar. Some will read as E dash. So probability of happening and not happening if you do the sum, the result will be always 1. So by this, we will come to a conclusion that probability of an event always lies between 0 and 1. Thank you.